This Thanksgiving, let your home tell a story of warmth, gratitude, and togetherness. It's more than just a holiday, it's a feeling. Through soft colors, cozy textures, and thoughtful touches, Thanksgiving decorations turn any space into a place of comfort and celebration. Whether you're hosting a grand dinner or enjoying a quiet evening, your space can reflect the beauty of the season. Today, we'll walk through 3 simple parts of creating a Thanksgiving atmosphere: setting the foundation, layering cozy textures, and adding meaningful final details. Each step adds warmth, charm, and a sense of gratitude to your space, turning your home into a welcoming retreat for the season. Segment 1. Setting the foundation, 1:15 to 3:30. Begin with the mood you want to create. Thanksgiving decor starts with balance, blending calm colors, soft light, and natural inspiration. Use gentle tones and a warm atmosphere to invite peace and reflection into your home. Focus on comfort and simplicity. Each piece should feel intentional, reflecting gratitude and connection. The goal is to build a space that feels lived in, not staged, welcoming to all who walk in. What's the one thing that makes your home feel like Thanksgiving? Share it in the comments below. Maybe it's a color, a scent, or a family tradition. Now that the base is set, bring the space to life with texture. Think layers, soft fabrics, subtle contrasts, and materials that make the room feel grounded. Thanksgiving is about touch as much as sight, creating warmth through texture and tone. Mix smooth and rough, light and dark. These contrasts make your decor feel dynamic and inviting. The secret to beautiful Thanksgiving decorating lies in how it feels, not just how it looks. If these Thanksgiving decoration ideas brought warmth and inspiration to your home, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love cozy, festive decor. The final step is adding personality, the little details that make your home uniquely yours. This could be meaningful accents, gentle lighting, or subtle seasonal touches that bring everything together. These finishing moments are what turn a room into an experience, thoughtful details that remind everyone of gratitude, comfort, and togetherness. Thanksgiving is more than a meal, it's a feeling that lingers long after the day ends. For more seasonal decorating ideas, DIY projects, and cozy holiday inspiration, make sure to subscribe and join us for more festive content. And there you have it, your home, transformed into a warm and welcoming space for Thanksgiving. With just a few thoughtful layers and heartfelt details, you've created something truly special, a place where gratitude, comfort, and love meet. So this Thanksgiving, decorate not just for the season, but for the feeling. Celebrate warmth, kindness, and the beauty of being together.